Hi guys, welcome back to Unboxer TV. This is Adnan Ahmed, your regular host on Unboxer TV. So guys, today we have a product from Beverly Hills Polo Club, and it's a leather wallet. So guys, let's get started without wasting any time. So let's continue. So guys, let's continue the video. So this is the Beverly Hills Club wallet, and this is the metallic box which comes in a plastic coverage. I have just torn out the plastic coverage, and let me just I'll just peel this off. So this is just coming out. Just a second, I'll just pull this out. So guys, that's done. Now let me just open the box. We find inside the box the first of all the plastic paper branding over here, Beverly Hills Polo Club registered mark. And when I just open this, it's tied with a zip tie over here. And when I just open this, it comes like this. I'll just cut this open. I'll just take this out and show it to you guys. And inside the box there is nothing except for a case like this. And let me just pull this. When I just pull this out, the case gets detached, and the wallet is over here. I actually didn't keep a scissor over here to tear it off. Let me just bite it and open off. So that's done, and let me just cut this too. There is a zip tie over here. So guys, there is another zip tie over here. Let me just pull that one also. Just a second guys. So guys, this is the Beverly Hills Club wallet. It's made of pure leather, and it's of very good quality. And inside there is a branding card over here, and behind there is a space for writing the name, address, phone, cell phone, email ID, additional info, and emergency contacts. And next is some of the paperwork over here. Some covers like this, and a silica gel packet, and it's over here made in Germany. And guys, it's of a very good quality, and it costs about $80. And that's it guys in this video. Meet you in the next one. Thanks for watching. If you like this, I can't give you the link because I ordered it a week ago and I didn't save the link of this product. So yeah, that's it guys. Meet you in the next one. Thanks for watching.